Hello friends, today I am going to unbox a unique product. So it's not mobile, it's basically a kitchen scale. It's given by Health Sense, and basically now we are very health conscious, so a kitchen scale is a must for all kitchens. So first of all, let us see its technical specifications. So the model name is Chef Mate Kitchen Scale. It has a battery life of 8 months. It comes with a inbuilt battery. It has a weight of 324 gram, and it can weigh from 1 gram to 5 kg. So these are the accuracy details. The best part is it has a stainless steel platform design. It has a tear facility. It has a auto shut off capability. It has G sensors. It has a LCD display. You can choose the units between gram, ml, ounce. It has a overload indicator and a 1-year warranty. So let us see what's inside the box, and we are going to unbox it today. Good, very good. So here it comes. This is our scale. So it comes with a 6-month extended warranty. There's some this is the warranty card. Okay, and it has a user manual, so it gives you all the details how you are going to use it. So the build quality seems to be very nice. Let us see from the back side. Okay, it has batteries inside it. There we are going to close it. Okay, so now we are switching it on. So now it is showing gram. It's quite sensitive. When you touch it, you can see. So here I have one product, Parle-G, quite popular in India. So let us see the weight. It is 70 grams. So 70 gram is the weight, and 3 gram I believe is the weight for packaging material. So the accuracy is quite good. Accurate in terms of accuracy level, I have put this 3 times, so it is showing 73, 73, 73, which shows that repeatability is quite good, and it has auto shut off facility. So I believe the product is quite good, nice, and a must for kitchen. Please rest assured, this is not a sponsored video by Health Sense. So this is just an unboxing video to make you understand how it looks like and how we can use this. So I have switched it off. Thanks for watching this video.